Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made this lemon cornmeal cake and I want to show you exactly step by step everything I did to achieve this delicious dessert. I need cornmeal, 1 cup or 165 grams, 3/4 of a cup or 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 egg whites, about 60 grams of egg whites, 1 cup or 220 grams of sugar, 1/4 or 60 milliliters of sunflower oil or canola oil, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of unsalted soft room temperature butter, 2/3 of a cup or 150 milliliters of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of grated lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and some powdered sugar to powder the cake after baking. So lots of ingredients, but you will see the list in the description box. I will mix cornmeal with flour and baking powder. Doing this step, we make sure that the cake will rise evenly and will bake the same. Pour egg whites in your mixing bowl. Add some salt over, a pinch of salt, and whisk them up until they're nice and fluffy, almost like a meringue. Start with a slow speed and increase after a minute or two. And when you see them like this, almost a meringue, you can add sugar and continue to mix. The sugar will start to dissolve and you're gonna have a stiff thick meringue. Stabilize it with lemon juice, but all this will give also lots of taste. Add oil and yogurt and mix it up nicely in your batter. Don't forget the lemon zest and incorporate dry ingredients with a spatula. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. I incorporated now the rest of the oil and I will add butter as well. Mix it up in your batter, pour it in your tin. I have here a round shaped tin cake or tin form with 20 centimeter diameter or 9 inch, and it is lined with baking paper at the base. Level nicely the batter and bake it in your oven. Set the oven for 25 minutes and do the toothpick test to be sure that it's baked. And I let it after baking for 5 more minutes in the oven to relax a bit, and it's looking like this. And I will powder it with powdered sugar while it is hot. Just took it out of the oven. You can remove now the cake form and let it cool down on a grater, and you can serve it when it's cold with a cup of tea, or of course some ice cream or custard if you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Have an awesome day. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also Facebook. You can find the links in the description box. Have an awesome day. Bye.